Please be advised of the disclaimers.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Pinnacle Trading here. Today we're going to take a look at why it's a bad time to start investing for new investors in the stock market right now. And it's July 4th, 2019. So happy July 4th. Hope you're all having a great day, great holiday. Again, have that huge sale on the membership. Buy one, get 1 month free. So let's get into the chart and let's take a look at why it's a bad time to get into the stock market right now, whether you're a new trader, investor, or if you're just looking to play the markets. So let's look at a overall picture right now, a 3-year chart, and let's zoom in from here. So we can see that where we had the huge correction last year in December 2018. So right now it's July 2019. So when we look back in December 2018, we had the huge market correction where S&P 500 fell from about 280 area down to about 230. So about a 60-point drop in just less than a month, only about 3 weeks. So what do we see next? So we broke all-time highs recently. We've been breaking that about almost every week. So look, the next big resistance is going to be at 300 for S&P 500. That's ticker symbol SPY. So being that it's that next 100 level, every time we've seen markets hit that level, we've seen a correction or headed into a recession slowly. So I'm going to show you a chart next, but this is just my analysis. Again, I'm not a financial advisor in any way. This is just my analysis and what I've seen before in the market. So being that we're breaking all-time highs again, we came up. Let's take a look at this pattern from this right here. So what happened in about May to June? We had that small correction in the market. So fell from 295 all the way down to 275, so 20 points, not even about a 5% correction right there. So being that we had that correction right there, we got the G20 news, which is the market. China and Trump are looking to pull that China trade deal together, and they've been trying to compromise, but there's a lot of factors in the economy that people are overlooking, and you can read up on those on the news. I'm not going to go into too depth on that, but there's so many things that people are overlooking, and we're breaking all-time highs over and over again. So when we are looking at the markets like this, you want to be very, very careful, because people keep buying, the algorithms keep buying, and that's where we want to be selling the news. So let's get into that chart that I was going to talk about. This is going to be 30-year yield versus Fed funds rate. So recently, Feds have been cutting rates. They cut rates and then they want to look to cut rates again. So looking at this chart right here, we've seen that 2008, 2009, the huge recession that was there. So it usually happens about every 10 years or so. So right now we're in the 11th year since that happened in 2008. We're in 2019 now. So looking at it end of this year or early next year is where I see that huge market crash heading into the recession into 2020. And again, that's where we're seeing it right now. So being that we see this dip, this red circle, what's going to happen? That's a big question mark right there. The source is from Bloomberg. That's where I pulled this from. And being that we saw this 4-year, this recession, financial crisis, whatever you want to call it right there, what do we see over there? So it's just about the dip below, and once we see that inverted, it's coming down. That's where we're going to see that recession right there. So are we going to see it in 2020? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments what you think about the economy right now. Again, but anybody getting into the market, just be very careful. Take small positions, tread lightly, because we're definitely going to be seeing that crash coming up soon. My analysis, I'm looking at it by end of 2019 into early 2020. So what do you guys think? Do you think it's a bad time to invest, or do you think we should keep buying and let markets keep going up? So let me know in the comments what you think. And again, if you want to join the chat room and be a part of the long-term investing alerts, whether you're a trader, investor, etc., make sure to head over to pinnacletrading.us and scroll down to get a 1-week free trial for the chat room. That's right here. And if you want to join the membership right now, I have a buy one get 1 month free. So if you buy the first month, you get the second month free. So it's basically 50% off for 2 months. So that is a membership plan right there, which includes all of those in the chat room, and also mentorship plan if you want to learn how to trade, invest, live one-to-one plan where I teach you from basic to advanced strategies. You can grab mentorship plan as well. If you're looking for a discount on that, just join the chat room and ask me about a $50 off coupon for the gold membership for the mentorship plan. So I hope this video helped you out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And again, have a great July 4th, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified. Take care.